What is up, you guys? It's your boy CA Corey, back with another video. So we just have a quick little highway POV. I got 20 something minutes till I get home, so I was like, you know what, let me just throw on the camera again, and we're just gonna play some music. I might cut up a little bit, we'll see what happens. So let's play some music right now. Uh-oh, he knows he's on YouTube. I hear that downshift. You hear that? He knows. All right, let me turn up the volume a little bit. Nah, I need some other stuff, bro. What is this? Here we go. Oh, don't tell me my arm pressed something else, bro. No. Don't tell me my arm pressed something else. Damn. Which one was it? It's probably this one.
It's so quiet, but I hear you.
Drippin', ooze, the paddock all wet. Birds in the truck, they ain't leaving at the settle. Hit a lick and cop a pterodactyl. Pebble, chop a bite down like an apple. Match you with the acres with the horses in the cattle. Narco, got dope like Pablo. Cut dope like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north of Diego. Say I still a wiggle. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato.
There's nothing I hate more than these cars right here, right in front of me. I could never tell if those are cops or if it's just a regular person in the car. Cause now, like, I know like you gotta see lights in the back and so many other stuff, but for the most part, like, you just never know. The radar's not going off, so I can't suspect anything of it, but I don't know, man. I want to pass him, but my luck, he'll be like, whoop, whoop. We got him.
it's hard to make. So I bet they on their face right now. When he tell the story, that's not how it went. Know they be lying 100%. Moved out the wrist and forgot about that bed. Why they just call me to tell me come get it? Now that boy off and I don't want no credit. If it was me, they wouldn't regret it. Left me for dead and now they won't get it. Party still bleeding, my niggas still eat it. They give it a look like the car, they eat it. Girls all better, she's spilling the tea. And Shawty came back and said she didn't mean it. So I believe it. I know that they at the crib going crazy down there. What they had, they didn't have. Down there, they didn't have. Down there, they didn't have. Down there, they didn't have.
Guys, if you enjoyed that highway POV, please give it a like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.